Check all accessories. Remove the protective cover. Install the armrests on both sides. Install the backrest. Wires connection. Red, white, and black wires for massage heating control. Connect the heating and massage remote control. Black 8-pin. Connect the lift remote control. Black 5-pin. Connect the USB cable. Connect the power cord. After hearing the beep sound, the recliner will be powered on and ready for operation. Organize the wires. We provide a detailed instruction manual covering precautions for product installation, usage, disassembly, maintenance, after-sales service, and other related aspects. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at any time.